goodness, look at that thing go. Now we're getting our money's worth.
Yes.
Well, it's up in the clouds, but it's going to drop one, I think, any second. It is spinning so hard, and it's big. If it comes down, it'll be a big one. Believe me. Okay? Call me if you need to. Thank you. Try to get a grip around that. Okay, I'm turning around. Shit, lift it. This is our playground right here. I hope it doesn't hit anything. God, look at that thing rotate, man. Okay, clear right.
Clear right.
Gravel.
Oh, here we go. Here we go.
Gravel ends a half mile.
There's a cone in there.
Oh, there's a freaking cone in there, dude. There you go. There's your condensation funnel. There it is. Multi-vortex probably. Okay, we're gonna get a good one here. There's gotta be a fluid in there. Look at that.
Well, you guys take it easy.
Good luck, and again, thank you for your service, sir.
Thank you.
Dude, can you believe it? A rope. Beautiful rope. Holy cow. How many is that now? Like 4 or 5? Okay, hang on. I'm going to go around.
Oh my God.
I'll see you guys. You should not be standing in the road. You shouldn't be in the road,
Dumbass.
you morons. It's down. That's 3 at once. Catch up with it. See if I get it. Damn.
Got 2 going at once here.
Oh boy, look at that. There you go. Between Wayne, Nebraska and Norfolk. We're probably 20 miles east of Norfolk. And they're just sitting there arguing. Look at that.
2 monsters.
I'm wondering about that. You almost might get 3. Look at it. There's a third one to the left of it, it looks like. Dude, this is the show of the year. The show of the year. It's maybe down this little hill here. You still can't see the ground yet. Want me to do this?
It's pretty well defined.
Oh yeah. Now, feel the inflow going into it? I'll get you down there. Up there.
Go, dude, look to the left.
Oh, a little bit further. Oh, look at that tube, dude. My God. I think this is going to say no outlet or something. to last us for a while. Here we go. Oh my good God. It's Hill City once again, but even better. Oh my God. Look at the little tube right to the right of the left one there, man. See that little tube trying to come down, little wisp? Good God.
Now that looks like that stocking.
Like what?
That stocking made up?
Yeah, exactly. It was white, the diamond white, sparkly.
Side by side.
Let's do it. Oh, it's still going. It's not. That thing's going pretty fast. Look at him. Wow. Now see, they're also taking off to the right down there. God, that's huge. Isn't that awful looking?
Yeah, it is.
Oh my goodness, how big. Violent. This will be in the history books for a long time. Look how huge, that's a huge thing.
That is a big
That's
piece.
as big as I've ever seen, I think. Okay, here's a four-way deal here. I don't know if it's the paved road or not.
Nebraska blows its top.